Hey, what's up? It's Jasmine Chanel. Thanks for tuning in to another YouTube video. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen, so that means I'm cooking up another meal. So this is a dinner for two. If you like cooking recipes, then be sure to snoop around my YouTube channel because I have a bunch of content on cooking for two, simple recipes, and of course we like to include health in our food, so lots of veggies. So let's jump into it. In this video, I'm going to be dishing up a soup. A chicken, vegetable, and potato soup to be exact. My husband hasn't been feeling well for the past 24 hours, so what better time to cook up a soup? So here we have chicken broth, celery, green onions, carrots. I have some cut up regular yellow onions and then some cauliflower. I also have some Tasteful Selections small potatoes that I'm going to slice in half, some ginger, and of course some garlic. As you can tell, I'm a little nasally, so this is going to be good for me. The vegetables, the ginger, the garlic, such a good variety of vegetables. So while I was chopping up all my vegetables, I cooked my chicken. I'm using boneless chicken breast. I lightly seasoned it and then popped it in the air fryer for 30 minutes while I chopped up all my vegetables, so everything is done, my chicken is done. And one tip I like to share is I actually take my cooked chicken and I put it in my Ninja chopper so that it's like really shredded. I don't really like chicken chunks in my soup, so it fluffens and makes my chicken broth really thick, and then I'm not chewing on chicken in my soup. So let's get started. I just want to cut up my potatoes and then I'm going to wash them. I like smaller chunk potatoes, but you can dice and cut your potatoes however you like. I mean, that's the beauty of just watching videos, getting ideas, and making it tasteful to what you enjoy the most. So, as you can see, I have everything pretty much cut up. I'm gonna run my cauliflower through my Ninja chopper as well as my chicken that's already cooked. And I'm going to saute my garlic and my onions with a little bit of oil. I'm just gonna let this simmer for about 15 more minutes. So I added 2 lemon peels, 3 bay leaves, some fresh ginger, and of course the chicken and the cauliflower to thicken it up. I have some leftover chicken and cauliflower, so tomorrow for leftovers, I'll add more water and I'll add the leftover chicken and cauliflower to make some more out of what we will eat today. Again, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. All the ingredients will be in the description below. Thanks for tuning in. I have more content. I just got a new KitchenAid, so some baking is coming up. And again, if you have any questions, don't forget to drop them below. Again, it's Jasmine Chanel. Until next time.